bike is right there. Oh, Stevie.
What's going on, bro?
What's up, man?
What's up, buddy?
What's up? What's up, boys? What's happening? What's up, Howie? All right, come on, man. Take a look. Well, let's first see what the numbers are. Looks really nice. See, in the sun, you can really tell the carbon fiber. It looks awesome.
You don't hate it as much?
No, I don't hate it as much. Why don't you have the lights on? Nice. Check that out, boys. Look at that. Just kind of glows red. I think it looks awesome. It does look nice in the sun. I'll give them that. I was giving Senior a hard time about all this carbon fiber, but it looks good. Let's go inside. Let's see what they got. Is he going to bring it out? It's fine. It doesn't matter. Oh, you got a street light too that I can ride? All right, look. Let's show you this. So this is the standards. I'm going to take both of these for a test ride just to see how they feel. This, of course, is what I prefer. This is a 23? 24? All right. This is the man you got to come see. You want a bike, Shoreline, come see Howie right there. The guy is awesome. And then I got my lead instructor here taking me out, make sure I behave on this ride. All right, he's going on the street glide first. I'm going on the road glide first. Then we're going to swap. I'll give you first impressions on both. All right, let me throw a leg over it. Oh, man. It feels lighter already, I can tell you that. Okay, right here? Yeah, run switch. Wow, look at that. What mode is it on? Leave it on sport, yeah. All right, 2024 Road Glide. First ride, first impressions. Let's go. All right, the clutch feels a little harder than mine. Probably because mine is hydraulic. Man, these handlebars feel freaking awesome. Am I gonna convert to a Road Glide? Oh man. Wow. This thing is responsive. Man, that feels good. It feels very agile and obviously very responsive. Now, I still remember what my stock 117 felt like, and this feels more powerful. And you know what? The suspension, dramatically better compared to my CVO stock. My first two quick impressions here, and then my third one is, man, it feels lighter, which of course it is. Give you a nice close-up here. Let me tell you, this finish right here nailed it out of the ballpark. The only thing I would change on this bike is this dull interfering here. Of course, they sell the shiny one that usually comes in the CVOs. I love these little wind flares that it has here. This looks absolutely awesome right here. boogies. Let me tell you, this thing, man, you see that bump right there? This suspension, way, way better. And this stock seat feels really comfortable. It feels plush. Man, my bike literally, when I rode it out of that showroom for the first time, I thought something was wrong with the bike. I even came back and told them, hey, what's wrong with the suspension? It was so harsh. This thing, wow, dramatic improvement. We're gonna switch it. He's gonna go on this one, and then I'm gonna try that street glide. You know what? The most dramatic difference is that suspension. When I left my bike the day one, I came back because I thought something was wrong with my CVO. So harsh. This is plush.
Yeah. They enabled the rear suspension to have an inch more travel.
Is that what it is?
And I believe it's also the lightness of the bike.
Yeah. What a difference. How are you, sir?
You want to see something scary?
Sure.
You guys aren't scary, but anyway. the water line for Sandy is over there.
Uh-huh.
This much water when Sandy came.
Oh, right there?
Oh, really?
That's how high the water was.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's crazy.
That is crazy.
We've been swimming right now.
Yeah, well, yeah. Or at least
Let me show you. This fine gentleman just pointed this out to me. This, during Hurricane Sandy, this is how high the water was. Can you imagine this? Wow. That's insane.
crazy day.
Yeah, crazy times.
One day only, there and done.
Right?
Anyway, cool.
All right, have a good day. All right, now this is what I like right here. Street glide, baby. Look at how nice that is. All right there. Let's roll. Oh yeah, street glide, baby, all the way. There is no substitute, people. Come on. Of course, I would change the position of these handlebars, but it just feels, oh, man, this thing feels so nimble. Obviously, just stock, comparing the two, the Road Glide feels better, only because of the position of the handlebars. This feels like I'm, you know, very constrained, and I'm only 5'10", so if you're bigger than that, this will feel smaller. But man, now I want to test that. Oh look, it's got hill assist. That's standard on this. That used to be a CVO feature. This guy's ruining it. I mean, obviously it feels underpowered, in case you're wondering, right? So I have a stage 2 117, and you know, this feels underpowered compared to my stage 2. So my stage 2 is definitely faster. You feel a lot more torque, both in low end, mid, and high. But this feels faster than mine when I took it out of their stock, for sure. And definitely lighter, more nimble, and definitely more comfortable. I mean, just great job overall. You gotta come out and test these bikes, because frankly, I was very skeptical prior to this, but this is for sure. This will be in my future. Now, you know, we're gonna go and get behind closed doors and see what kind of numbers I get. I'm in no rush. Everybody knows I love my bike. I've made it mine. I don't have to trade it in. I could just get this, but you know what? I'm open. I like having options. So if you've test ridden any one of these, all right, we're going to test it now here, and let's go. Oh yeah. Woo. Look how nice that looks. And that's just, and check this out right there, that little drawer, game changer. This feels even more agile than that one, obviously because of the Street Glide, but the handlebar position is dramatically better on that one. So look, there you have it. Those are my first impressions. You heard me here real time. Let me tell you, it's just completely different bikes, everybody. It's not, you can't even compare it to what it was before.